We're back at the 22 SEMA show. As you can see behind us, Air Design SEMA booth is bigger than last year. We keep growing. We've got 5 vehicles in the booth. We've got 15 scattered around SEMA, and they're actually all booth cars. So come by Air Design's booth here and check out all our new vehicles. Oh, it's great to be back at the 22 SEMA show. Last year, it was a nice turnout. This year was up 25% more. It's great. You can see it out here. Everybody's here. All the vendors are looking for new products. We got plenty of new products. As you can see behind us, we got 5 new vehicles. We've got a brand new Mach-E with our new Ford accessory kit on it. Launching our brand new carbon fiber spoiler. It's basically overmolded. It's very flexible, easy to install. We've got a completely redesigned website Air Design's been working on for the past year. Really dealer friendly, very consumer friendly. We've launched this new e-commerce. It's going to give you something really close to Amazon, so you're just going to be able to put your card in there and get verification after you order, when it's going to ship, where it is. We're very excited about it. Also, it has all our products on it with beautiful pictures. It's very user-friendly. You can just put your finger on the big iPhones behind us and play around it and see all Air Design exciting products. Behind us over here, we've got this new Mach-E. It's a Ford license kit. As you can see, Air Design's moving into the EV world too. This has got like Air Design's little front spoiler on the front. It's got side skirts. It's got some rear diffusers. And also, we'll talk about, I'll show you later in this video about our new technology, overmolded carbon fiber that we have a patent on. You can see that this gloss black kit, with the white Mach-E makes a very nice looking kit. It's got the difference between the gloss black and the paint. It really pops out. You can see how subtle the kit is. I think it's a really nice looking kit. We're very excited about moving into this platform, as obviously it's all over the news and it's kind of the future. Everybody's going EV. So one of the things we're very excited about is this new carbon fiber spoiler. This has got a brand new technology. It's called overmolding. As you can see, it's very flexible. So it's real carbon fiber. On the inside, it's overmolded with a soft eraser urethane. And also it's got 3M tape. On the inside that has a polyurethane glue. So when this thing installs on your car, it is not going any place. This thing is gonna last. It's very robust. These are all Ford accessories, so that matches the factory warranty. So that's telling you one thing about Air Design, we make quality products. So like when I hear people call on the phone and I'll say that, oh yeah, you can go buy it from your local Ford dealer, and that we match the factory warranty, they go, that's good enough for me, I'll buy it. This is a 22 Silverado behind us. You can see this is the first time the public or anybody here has seen our new bumper guard for the 22. This is kind of unique because it's basically, it wraps all the way around into the wheel wells. It's painted a satin black, and this is a satin silver. It's a very robust paint. You're gonna have no problem for marring up. You just take a little bit like instant detailer and wipe it off. The satin silver and the black are basically the same paint. They're just 2 different colors. Goes on with tape and glue. As you can see, this is the new redesigned 22 Silverado. So this is the first time that everybody here has seen this. So it's a very looking truck. We're very excited about launching this here at the 22 SEMA show. Yeah, either way, you can buy Air Design's products, and like I said, you could buy it from Accessories.Ford, buy it through your local Ford dealer, or you can go to Air Design USA and get the same products. Either way, we got you covered.